Good morning, everybody, students. Myself, Sri Dhande sir from Adarsh Vidyalaya Patansangi. Today I will teach you the math subject of class 8, lesson number 3, indices and cube root. So, students, we must know what is indices. What is the basic concept of the indices? When any number is given in the multiplication form, for example, 2 into 2. Then this multiplication form we can write in the index form as 2 square. Next example, when the given number is in the multiplication form is 2 into 2 into 2 equal. Then we will write this multiplication form in the index form as 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube. When the given multiplication form in this type 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. The 2 is multiplied by 4 times. Then this multiplication form we can write 2 to the power 4. It means that when any number, same number multiply many times, then we can write this as a base is 2 and power is 2. When the multiplication form is 2 times, the power will be 2. When the multiplication is 3 times, the power will be 3. When the multiplication is 4 times, the power will be 4. When the multiplication form is 2 into 2 into 2, dot dot dot, 100 times, 100 times. Then how will write this multiplication in index form 2 to the power 100? Pause.
That.
So we get the idea of the how we'll write the multiplication form in the index form. This is we can call also expanded form. Then if the given index is in this type 3 to the power 4, then we can multiply this 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then we can multiply all these 3 or 4 times and we get the answer. So this is multiplication form is called as the expanded form. So we get the general idea of indices, how we will get the index and base. So in this example 3 to the power 4, 3 is a base. 3 is called as base and 4 is index. So we know that what is the base and what is index. When any number having a power, this is the index and this number is called as the base.
Start.
Students, there are some laws of indices. Now we know that what is the index and indices, what is the base, what is the index, how we'll write the in multiplication form, expanded form, and how we'll get the index form. Now from this base we have to know the laws of indices. There are 8 laws of indices. We will learn today 4 laws of indices. First law is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. In this rule, the base is same and index is different. Then what we'll do here? A to the power m plus n, it means that base is same and we are adding the index. For example, suppose the example is that 2 to the power 5 into to the power 6. In this example, 2 is a base and index is a 5 into 2 is base, index is 6. Observe this example carefully. We get the base is same in this example. So, and index is different. So, we can apply the first law of indices to solve this example. We can apply first law of indices to solve this example. What is law? He put the base is here one time. So we will put base is 2 here. And he added the index. So we will add this 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. We will get the answer 2 is base to the power 11. So we get the concept of addition in the index form. Also, if the example is in different type, suppose the base is 3, power is 5 into 3 to the power minus 4. In example, he can give the any type of example, he can give the index in any number. So in this, observe this example. In this example, the base is 3, index is 5, base is 3 and index is 4, minus 4. And this is the multiplication form. Hence, when there is a multiplication form and base is same, we can apply the first rule also here. We can apply first rule. Whenever there is a multiplication form and the base is same, we can apply the first rule. But we can get confused. Why? We see here the number is both the indices in positive form, but here first number is 5 is positive form and second number is negative form. We know the rules of addition. When there is a 2 minus 3, we will get minus 1. When there is a minus 3 minus 2, we will get minus 5. When there is a 3 minus 2, we will get 1. When plus 3 and plus 3 equal to plus 6. These are the rules of addition with the sign. When there is a number is negative form and this number is greater, then we take the negative sign. जेव्हा दोन नंबरची आपल्याला ॲडिशन किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन करायची असते आणि जर एक नंबर पॉझिटिव्ह आहे and there is a one number is positive form and another number is negative form, then we will take the sign of greater number and we subtract the small number from the greater number. Therefore 3 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Sign is important here. When the two numbers having the same sign, we will take this sign and we will add the numbers. When there is a different sign, then we will take the sign of greater number. This is the greater number 3 having sign plus. Therefore, we will take plus here and we subtract 3 from 2. This is 1. When having the same sign, we will add this. This rule and this rule are same. When their numbers having the same sign, we will add the number, takes this sign, and here also having the same sign, we will take the same sign and add the number. But whenever the different sign having the numbers, then we will take the sign of greater number. Be careful. These rules we are learn in 6th class. So, how we will solve the number? This indices example, we will take the base same here and we will add the numbers which is index form. This is 5 plus this number having minus sign, therefore we will write in bracket. So what is the answer? 3, 5 plus minus plus into minus. We know the rules of sign in multiplication form. When there is a plus into minus, we get minus. These are the rules. There are also 4 rules. Plus into plus, we will get the plus sign. Minus into minus, we get the plus sign. Minus into plus, we will get the minus sign. These are the 4 rules of multiplication of the sign. So learn these rules because we are study already in the 6th 7th class. Therefore, we must know these rules. So here we apply this rule. 5 is here, plus into minus. Plus into minus, we get the minus. Therefore, we will write the minus here, and 4 is here. Therefore, 4 minus 5, 5 minus 4 is a simple subtraction. Therefore, we will write 3 is base and 5 minus 4 is 1. We can write this. We don't need to write the index is 1. We can write 3 as it. This is the answer. Students, we will see the remaining rules tomorrow, and you have to solve the example depends on the first rule. So I will give the homework to you. Number first, 5 is to power 5 and index is 4 into 5, index is 5. 5 raised to power minus 4 into 5 raised to power 5. How you will get the answer? This is the example. Second number, 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 4. You have to solve these 2 examples and I will see tomorrow. Best of luck. Thank you.